Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, as you are knowing that your half yearly examination is going to come, and already we have completed the syllabus, and so this video is prepared for the revision purpose. Okay, so in today's class we shall revise lesson number 3. So let's start today's class. So in today's class, first I will explain you the story lesson number 3 in brief, and then after we will do the question answers and some activities of lesson number 3. Okay, so here the story it is given. In the last story it was explained that Musunda's cousin Rose, she has come in that family, the Musunda's family, to live for few weeks. Okay, and then after further we are going to study in this chapter. Here it is explained that Musunda brings out the plates and cups, and Mrs. Mulenga serves the chicken. As they eat, they talk about Rose's family and how everyone is doing. Okay, like what is happening if in your family also, if any guest is coming or if someone is coming, so what we are talking about that, we are asking that how is everyone in the family and how they are doing this, all the things. So same thing is going on here also, that as all are eating together, that time everyone is talking about Rose family and how everyone is doing there, about everyone they are asking. Okay, so what is happening after dinner, the younger children cleared the table. Means the younger children, what they have done, they cleared the table, and while the other, that elder ones, they wash the dishes together. Okay, they wash the dishes together. So what is happening, Musunda and Rose offer to finish up, means like they, Musunda and Rose both, they offer their help to finish the work nicely. Okay, so what happened, alone with Rose, when, means like Musunda becomes alone only with Rose, that time Musunda is asking question. She asks, what she asks? She asks that, what do you think I should become when I grow up? Musunda is asking question from Rose, that according to your thinking, what I should become in my life when I grow up, what I should become. That question she is asking, because for long time Musunda is thinking about this question, that what she should do in her life. Okay, so therefore she asked this question from Rose, that what do you think I should become when I grow up. Now Rose is replying that I keep asking myself the same questions, says Rose. Rose is saying that I also keep asking to myself the same question, that what I should become in my life. She is also thinking, Rose is also thinking same thing. Okay, so this is the first part of the story. Now in the second part, then Rose is that Musunda is replying, I think about service. She is saying, Musunda, that I think about service. I want to do something that can help other people. She is replying that, Musunda is replying that I think about service. I want to serve people and I want to do something that can help other people. According to that, I want to become something. I want that I should do something that can help other people. So therefore, I would like to become a nurse. Musunda is replying, I want to become a nurse because I want to serve people. I want to do some work which can help other people. Okay, and she is also saying that I want to become a nurse, and for that what I have to do, She is saying that I have to study very hard for that, because it is not an easy task to become a nurse. What she has to do, she has to work hard, she has to study nicely, and it also cost, means like for study the nursing she has to spend money also, it also cost, and I don't think my parents have enough money. Musunda explains. Musunda is saying that I have to work hard. If I want to become a nurse, I have to work hard, I have to study, and for that I have to spend lots of money also, and I don't think my parents have enough money or sufficient money for this purpose. Then Rose is replying, yes, but you can try, Musunda. You don't lose your hope. She is replying, that Rose, that yes, but you can try, Musunda, says Rose. There is a word confirmation that I learnt a few weeks ago in one of my classes. Rose is explaining, I have learned a word, that word is confirmation. In few weeks ago in one of my classes, she has, in one of her classes she has learned one word, that is confirmation. And now what is the confirmation means? She is explaining, my teacher says that, she is explaining that my teacher says that God confirms us and helps us in what we do. Means whatever we are trying, whenever we are trying anything, then only God helps. So you have to keep trying for that. I like this word very much now, and Rose is explaining that this word I now like, I like very much this word. I am sure you will receive God's confirmation if you set your heart on becoming a nurse. If you set your heart on becoming nurse, so what will happen? And if you try, then what will happen? You will get the God's confirmation. God will confirm you if you work hard, and if you try, then only God will confirm you. So this is the story. Dear students, that is happening in our life also. You should also choose that what you want to become in your life, and you also must think about the service. As Musunda is thinking about service, she is thinking that what means like that work she want to do which can help other people. She wants to serve the people. So therefore, because of that, she want to become a nurse. In the same manner, you also must think about your life, that what you want to become in your life and why you want to become that. Okay, you also must think about the service. And second thing is that this word confirmation, you must understand this word confirmation, that when you try, okay, then only God will confirm you on your actions. So you must try, you must do the hard work. Suppose you want to get good marks in this half yearly examination, so what you need to do, you need to work hard for that. Then only God will help you, God will confirm you. Okay, so you do hard work. Okay students, so this is the story. In this manner the story is over. Now let's do some question answer of this chapter, activity number 2. So here question number 1 it is given. Question number 1 it is given, what does the family do as they eat together? What does the family do as they eat together? So this is the answer. As the family eat together, they talk about Rose's family and how everyone is doing. Okay, by mistake here dot came. So make sure that this student here, what will be the answer? As the family eat together, they talk about Rose's family and how everyone is doing in their family. They are talking regarding this. Okay. Now question number 2. What is question number 2? What do the children do after dinner? After dinner, what children are doing? Means what do the children do? Okay. So this is the answer. After dinner, The younger children cleared the table while the others washed the dishes together. Okay, means here answer is given. After dinner, what is happening? The younger children, they clear the table, and while the other children, they wash dishes together. The next question, question number 3, it is given. What important question does Musonda ask Rose? Very easy answer question. So here answer is, Musonda asks that what she should become in her life when she grows up. Okay, when she grows up, what she should become in her life. This question she asked from Rose. Okay, question number 4, what would Musonda like to become when she grows up? When she grows up, what she want to become? She would like to become. So answer is, Musonda would like to become a nurse when she grows up. Okay. The next question, question number 5. Why does she want to become a nurse? Now question is that, why she means what? Here Musonda, about Musonda it is asking question. Why does she want to become a nurse? So answer will be, here she wants to become a nurse because she wants to do something that can help other people. She wants to serve people. So therefore she wants to become a nurse. Okay. Question number 6. Why does Musonda think she might not be able to study nursing? Okay, why she is thinking like this? So answer is like this. Musonda thinks she might not be able to study nursing because her parents do not have enough money. Okay. The last question, this is question number 7. What new word has Rose learned in one of her classes? In one of her classes, what new word Rose has learned? Here learned is there, so here it can be learned also. Okay. So answer is, Rose has learned a new word in one of her classes, and that is confirmation. What is that word? Confirmation. Now activity number 3. Here it is given, 2 questions are given here. As you can see here, it is written, now your tutor will ask, now your tutor will read the exercises below and ask you to circle the answer. What is there? The question it is given, and next to the question, below the question, 3 options are there, and you have to circle that option. Okay, which is the answer of this question. Now first question it is given, the word confirmation means, which already we have studied in the chapter. The word confirmation means, options are, something that stops us from doing things. Next option is, something that helps us to know that we are doing the right thing. And third one it is given, something that help us to do things faster. So what will be the answer? Correct answer will be the B. Okay, correct option will be the B here, something that help us to know that we are doing the right things. Confirmation means, when you try, God will confirm you. So when God will confirm you means like you are doing the right thing. So something that help us to know that we are doing the right thing. Okay, so B will be here answer. So here we are going to circle the B. Okay. Now the next question it is given, Musonda sets her heart on becoming a nurse. This means that Musonda sets her heart on becoming nurse. So what this proverb means? She forgets about the idea of becoming a nurse. She is afraid of nurses. And third one, she wants very much to be a nurse. So what will be the right answer? Right answer will be, she wants very much to be a nurse. So C option will be answer. Okay, so in this manner you can complete this. Okay, students. Now the homework. What is the homework? Today's homework. Lesson is going to over now. Now please try to understand the homework. Your homework, it is given, read lesson 3 nicely and try to understand. So you will read lesson 3 very nicely, because objective questions are also coming from the middle of the chapter. So you will read the story very nicely, okay, and try to understand very nicely. So you will able to give all the answers. Next question, it is given, learn question and answer of lesson 3 nicely. Lesson 3, all the question answer you will learn very nicely, because in subjective examination you have to write the subjective answers, like question answer may come. So you have to learn the question answer of lesson number 3 nicely. And the last homework, it is given, write a paragraph explaining what would you like to become and why. Okay, you have to write a paragraph in which you will explain that what you want to become in your life and why you want to become, means what you want to become and why. Okay, so this is there. Now lesson is going to over. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.